Riches untold. International stacker, here to say, shiny vibes coming your way. Silver shines, gold's the glow. Stack it high, watch it grow. Giveaways for all, feel the thrill. International stacker chasing that mill. Coins and bars, rare to find. Treasure hunting, one of a kind. Join the crew, let's explore. Stack up wealth and so much more. Chasing that mill. Maps and clues, giveaways tonight. Silver dream shining bright. Roll the dice, take a chance. Treasure calls, we're in a dance. Silver shines, gold's the glow. Stack it high, watch it grow. Giveaways for all, feel the thrill. International stacking that mill. So hit that flow, join the quest. Riches await, you're the best international stacker. Stacking strong, silver, gold, where you belong. Chasing that mill. So hit that sub, join the quest. Riches await, you're the best international stacker. Stacking strong, silver, gold, where you belong. Chasing that mill. Chasing that mill. Crabs are grooving side to side. Ocean waves where dreams collide. Claws are up, the beat we chase. Treasure gleaming, golden space. Get your claws up, don't delay. Yeah, join the party night and day. Gold and silver is the key.
Who's ready?
Dance with me.
Let's go! who had fun at the Mega Ga. We got Mega Ga winners in the chat. It was Mega. Come on. Crab dance. Put those crabs in chat. Smash that like button. We're about to have some fun this morning. Let's go. Woo! Who's ready? We're the crew. The Shell Brigade. Are you part of the Shell Brigade? Let me know. Hit that like button. Let's do this. Here we go. Yes. Here we go. Let's go. Here we go. Dance with me. Dance with me. Dance with me.
One step on a journey
to find
silver.
International Stacker.
What is up, ladies and gentlemen? The name is International Stacker. I travel the world on gold and silver adventures with y'all, helping to guide the journey, and I just gave away over the weekend on Saturday over $7,000 in silver and gold. Well, it ended up being about 70 ounces of silver, 11 ounces of copper, and a bunch of gold backs. If you entered the Mega Ga giveaway through Gleam and you have not yet received the email to claim your 1/2 gold back, email me at internationalstacker@gmail.com and I will help and give you that link so you can register for that free 1/2 gold back straight to your house. Ladies and gentlemen, was the Mega Ga mega? Was the Mega Ga mega? Put a 1 in chat if you think the Mega Ga was mega. Silver, what you're seeing there in front of you, has gone up in after hours. That is right, it has gone up. So we're in for an interesting ride this morning. Let's flip on over to the charts here. We're at $50.89, but look at this mega green candle. As soon as the market opened back up, remember, it closes at 6 p.m. Eastern Standard Time on Fridays. Or 5 p.m., I'm sorry. It opens 6 p.m. Eastern Standard Time on the Sunday evenings. And look at that big green candle on silver. Look at that big green mega candle. It's right here. On gold. As they want to push. And tonight we're going to have the Asian market super bullish. But the fact that we finished last week with silver over 50 was extremely bullish. This green bar right here is right at $51 an ounce. This red one is at $50 an ounce. And here's our next two targets with silver. Important notice here, guys. Silver futures is still in full backwardation, $50.78. Meanwhile, we're at $50.88. So that's at least 10 cents in backwardation. And let me pull this over here. But just as we suspected, guys, on Thursday, the COMEX traded over 800 million fake paper ounces of silver, this blue bar here. And then on Friday, over 780 million, trying to smack it down. The last time they did this much was the first time silver broke over 50. They did 1.1 billion here, 980 million here, 970 million there. So we're in for a wild ride today. But again, please like, comment, subscribe. We have fun, we travel the world, and I give away silver and gold all the time. My name's International Stacker. I am sipping on Mrs. International Stacker's world-famous coffee, coming to you live in Key West. Where are you at in the United States? And where are you at around the world? And what are you sipping on this morning? As we are just 17 minutes away from market open, and prediction, today is going to be turbulent. Today is going to be turbulent. Bankers, manipulators are going to try to smash it down to just like really dishearten everybody. But do not fear, do not panic. Not a financial advisor, just some dude on the internet. But don't fear, guys. We've got this. And this is much different than 1980, much different than 2011. Watch this video here on my channel. Shocking, $100 silver if this happens, not 1980. I bring the receipts in that video and why it's different. It'll help you feel better if you ever start to feel down. We've got JR in the house in Kentucky sipping coffee. We've got lovely Chaos in Arizona sipping chai tea. Ooh, is it hot or cold chai tea? I like chai tea lattes. Those are pretty good. We've got CD Stirk in the house from North Carolina. Mississippi sipping OJ for Enough is Enough. We got Barbara in the house, and everybody, that is the Barbara. She won the 10-ounce Panda. I just boxed it up for her. She won the 10-ounce Panda Lunar Festival medal, and she is in VA sipping water this morning. We got the Notorious RPG in North Dakota, headed back to Pennsylvania, PA today. Very cool. We've got the Fat Ginger, another Mega Gaw winner. Fat Ginger won a mega bag. Said sipping on juice, gin and juice without the gin. That's funny. We got Big Green Stacker in the house drinking water in Colorado Springs. We got Lodi saying I'm buying more silver. I'm buying more silver and bought more silver. What are you guys doing? Richard Roach is saying 25 November is future settlement for precious metals. Friday is what we need to watch. You are correct. You are correct, Richard. It's going to be interesting to see what happens in the settlements. We're going to cover a few tweets about that in a second. And ladies and gentlemen, another Mega Gaw Mega Bag winner, Emerald Coast Stacker, is in the house. He won the very first one, saying, I'm here for the unreleased Mega Gaw segments. I have unreleased Mega Gaw segments that I could not do during the Mega Gaw because of the technical issues. I've narrowed it down to it was a network problem with AT&T, whether that was a DDoS attack or just a problem with their fiber optic network. I don't know. A little bit of a conspiracy going on there, but it's worked fine in every live stream. I've had thousands of people on before, no problem. I tested earlier that day, and then the Mega God all went to hell. I was trying to live troubleshoot and fix it, but we went old school and I did it off my phone. I'm just glad my dad didn't call me saying, you're streaming now. That could have messed me up. We got a lot of people here. We got over 100 people in the chat. Guys, please hit that like button. 30 likes. Let's see if we can get it up to 50 as we're just 14 minutes away. If you want to see one of the unreleased Mega Gaw segments, put a 1 in chat and I will play it for you. It's only like 16 seconds long. Put a 1 in chat if you want to see it. And JR saying aliens. It's always the aliens' fault. I couldn't agree more. Barbara is saying, everyone hit that like button. Good to see you, Barbara. And again, congratulations. Okay, guys. This is how, let me pause the music because I don't know. Okay, let me pause the music. This is how I met Daisy. Oh, hold up. Let me fix something here. Let me fix the screen there. There we go. Much better. This is how I met Daisy. Here we go. Should I take the camo, guys? Camel cam, guys. Eshism here.
The name Daisy.
Daisy the camel, guys. There you go. Oh, wow. Look at the 3 pyramids, guys. And that was how Daisy was met. That was a short little segment there. I was going to premiere in the Mega Gaw, but we had some technical issues, so I abandoned that. Did you guys like that? That is literally how I met Daisy, and you all met Daisy. I was live streaming from the pyramids of Giza, and I literally was approached by this camel tamer, herder, owner, whatever. And I asked the chat, and you guys all told me to ride the camel, so I took the Egyptian Uber and rode that camel and broadcasted live. I think I might have been the first person to ever live stream from the back of a camel. That was some years ago. And for everyone joining, if you entered the Mega Gaw via the Gleam platform, so you're part of the first 1,000 people who registered, and everyone who registered via Gleam is getting it, you should have gotten an email to claim your 1/2 gold back. Check your promos folder, check your spam. I sent it from a mail service. It got flagged. A lot of you can't find it. If you can't find it, just email me, internationalstacker@gmail.com, and it'll help you claim that 1/2 gold back. Coming straight to you from Goldback. And again, big thank you to Goldback for doing that. 1,000 1/2 gold backs. That's amazing. Pretty sure it's going to be Arizona for you guys, so that's cool. We're just 11 minutes away from official trading market open. Now, the COMEX is open and trading. I know. But the regular trading hours are 08:30 Eastern Standard Time to 4 p.m. Eastern Standard Time daily. From 5 to 6, there's about a 45-minute break. And then after that, they go into after hours. Then we get the Asian markets that kick in late at night. Then the LBMA, and then we're back in the morning. So I will at least be streaming this market open. I'm not sure if I'll stream market close today. Just depends what the market does, how volatile it is. And I really got to edit videos, guys. I'm so behind. I've been shipping. I've packaged 22 packages for the Mega God going out to you, and I'm not even anywhere close to being done. So I'm working on that. And Sean47 saying, IS, you could just send all the gold backs to me, the unclaimed ones. Yeah. We're just 2 cents away from $51. We've been above and below it since we had this massive green candle. And we were as high in the pre-market as $51.32. Gold, we're doing okay too, moving sideways at 40.85. I want to be back about above 4,100. I would really like that. As we're just 10 minutes away, guys, we're sitting at 37 likes, 100 people on. If you could just tap, smash, hit, roundhouse kick, whatever you got to do that like button, I appreciate it. Not only does it help the channel immensely, not only does it help me to do my big giveaways and give back to y'all, but it helps more people find the channel and protect themselves. And let me get a quick sound check. Is the music too loud? Can't hear me. Okay, let me turn my mic up. One second. Uno momento, por favor. Let me fix this. Okay. Okay, 1 2 1 2. Okay, I turned the music down and I turned the vocal mic up. Is that better? Can you hear the music faintly? Can you hear the music faintly and then me louder? 1 2 3 4. Check 1 2. Is that better? Sorry, settings got messed up when the whole Mega meltdown occurred. 1 2. How is this? How is this? Is the music lower now? I don't want it to be like too high. I don't want it to be distracting. Hold up. Let me pull the stream up on my phone. As we're just 9 minutes away from this market open, let me just check this. 1 second here. Okay, let me fix this. Okay, let me do this. Man, the music was pumping. The music must have been really pumping. 1 2 3 4, final sound check. How's this sound, guys? One second here. I'm getting it perfect for you guys. There we go. One, two, check, check, check. 1 2 1 2. Okay, I think I got it perfect. 1 2, check, check. I think I got it perfect. Are you guys happy with that? And ladies and gentlemen, we're just 7 minutes away from market open. My music was just going crazy. My vocals were not high enough, but now we're good. And we're back over 51. Look at that big green candle on silver. And gold is trying to get back up to 41. We'll see if we could do it. My goal today is to finish over 51 on silver. And it'd be really good if we were over 41 on gold. But guys, moving sideways in consolidation is not a bad thing. Not a bad thing at all. But the markets are crazy right now. A lot of crazy stuff's going on. Hugo, December 25th, the contract is expiring. A slight deepening in backwardation this morning, trading at negative 0.22% per ounce, or actually a 0.5% below. Mark saying, I'm no technical analyst, but silver price action is showing what appears to be a classic cup and handle formation. This is one of the most reliable bullish patterns you can see in technical analysis. Gold and Silver HQ, another 1.3% of silver left the Shanghai Futures Exchange vault in only one day. Another 5.8% out of the Shanghai Gold Exchange vault in only 1 week. When will this brewing supply crisis show in exploding prices? And guys, there is a shortage in silver. Not if you go to your local coin shop, okay? This is in the vaults, the COMEX, the LBMA, the Asian vaults. It's specially like made and assayed, certain specifications, serialized, entered into like the tracking systems. It's a pain to put new silver in, take it out, etc. It takes time. So the fact that we're still in backwardation shows that people would rather have silver now than in the future. So $50.69, and we're $50.94. So it's like over 20 something cents in backwardation. That usually signals a physical shortage in silver. Again, not at your coin shop, but in there. Ooh, Black Eagle Bullion. Can we set up a group buy from a mint? Maybe. Let me think about that. Wicked Sticky Flowers. There's definitely industrial shortages in silver. Remember, we only produce globally about 835 million ounces, and we're consuming about 1.2 billion ounces of physical silver right now a year. We've been in a silver shortage deficit. We're consuming more silver than producing for about 5 years now. Peak silver production was in 2016. And since then, silver production has been decreasing anywhere between 1% to 3% each year. And it's not getting better. And to get more silver into the system, you need more mines. And mines take anywhere from 10 to 15 years to really come on online and really start producing. So yes. Everybody, welcome this morning. Smash that like button. We're 2 away from 50, 130 people on, as we're just 3.5 minutes away from market open. And we did see this big green candle jump up in silver and a similar one in gold. We got as high as 51.30 in the after hours for silver. In the here's the big one with gold. We got up back over 4,100. So for today, I would love to see gold over 4,100 finish. I would love to see silver over 51 finish. Just at the end of the day, if they don't know, are the big banks going to try to smash it down under 50, 1,000%? International Stacker, that sounds like conspiracy. You're one of those guys. JP Morgan Chase paid 920 mil. Deutsche Bank paid 30 mil. HSBC paid 45 mil. They literally traded 800 million on Thursday of paper ounces and 780 million on Friday, when the annual global production for an entire year is 835 million. I don't know what you guys would call that. Wait until they figure out there's no gold left in Fort Knox, says Sean 47. I know. It's going to be great. I mean, I'm sure there's something in there, but definitely not what they're telling us. Not a financial advisor, just some guy on the internet that has an affinity for crabs. The Crustacean Nation. Do you guys want to see what the... hey, we got Silver Husky in the house. Good to see you, Silver Husky. I hope you made the Mega Gaw. It was Saturday. I gave away over 70 ounces of silver, 11 ounces of copper, and in collaboration with Goldbacks, gave away over 1,000 to 1.5 Goldbacks. That was crazy. KTM saying, I will call it mega manipulation. We're just 2 minutes away. Do you guys want to see another scene from the Mega God that I couldn't show at the time because of the tech issues? This was going to be the celebration for when one of you won something. If you want to see that, put a 2 in chat. Sweet mother of monkey milk, says Silver Husky. You always do the best, guys. Thank you. All right, people want to see it. This is what was going to play when one of you won something during the Mega Gaw. That was going to be the celebration scene. 1 minute away from market open. Crab your battle stations. Crab your battle stations. As we're just 50 seconds away, 150 people on, only 58 likes. Guys, please hit the like, tap it, smash it, do whatever you got to do. If you're on your phone, you could double tap the screen, I believe, or just pull the chat down and you'll see it right there. Helps the channel. Helps more people wake up to gold and silver and protect themselves. But we got multiple GAW winners in the chat. Emerald won something. Barbara won something. Who else is in here that won? I've packaged over 20. I'm up to 22 packages packaged that are going out this morning. And I got probably another 20 to go. I'm only halfway there. GAW Goblin was the best part. You guys, at the very end of the live stream, if you missed that part, you got to go back and watch it. The GAW Goblin brought out her pet rats, and they were like running around on her shoulders. It was so funny. Yeah, we're almost to 40,000 subscribers, guys. So if you could smash the like, help it get out, and subscribe if you're not. I really appreciate it. I'm at 39,840 subscribers. It's only 160 subscribers, and we're at 40,000 subscribers. Then it's on to 50. You guys, I think we could do that pretty quick, don't you? So if you guys smash the like, it helps me a lot. And the market has been open for 30 minutes in the official trading hours on a red candle with silver, 50.82. And a red candle with gold, 40.75. And guys, we're going to watch the market for a bit longer here, see what happens. And then channel members, we are going to the war room. So if you're a channel member, we're going to the war room after this. Thank you to everybody during the Mega God that became channel members, gifted channel membership, super chatted. That stuff helps the channel a lot. That's helping with the Mega God shipping. You know, do the math, 40 packages. I just packaged one going to Australia. Pocket pinger and $5 billion going to Australia. So all that stuff helps a lot. If you want to help the channel, just become a channel member. You can come to the war room. You get cool channel member emojis and all these different things. However, simply liking a video or stream, watching something, commenting, sharing something helps the channel immensely. Subscribing. And thank you, Todd, for subscribing. Thank you so much, Todd, for subscribing. We're 76 likes. Only 23 now, 23 away from 100. I think we could get there quickly. As we're on a green candle for gold, and I'm going to take or for silver, and probably gold, I'm going to take a poll here. We're at 1 minute and 47 seconds in. So in the first 5 minutes, do you think we'll end this 5-minute candle green or red? Put a 1 if you think at the end of 5 minutes it's going to be a green candle. I am in that camp. I'm saying 1. Or put a 2 if you think this 5-minute candle is going to be red. Let's see what you all say. Oh, what's Sean saying? The GAW Goblin had a really nice hoodie. I want one like that. It was a Germania mint hoodie. You guys, I've got Crustacean Nation hoodies coming soon. I've got a CYO201 one. I'm relaunching my merch line, and I'm thinking about making a rat stacker one. But I got that Germania Mint sweater when I visited Poland. I went to the Germania Mint. Those videos are coming soon now that we're through the Mega GA. So I'm editing videos feverishly. And we got people saying 1s and 2s. I think we got a few more 1s than 2s. Lovely Chaos is saying green candles for gold and silver. We got 150 people on, guys. Welcome everyone to the stream. Please like, comment, subscribe. And if you entered the Mega GA via Gleam and did not get the email to claim your 1/2 gold back, simply email me at internationalstacker@gmail.com and I can help you out. Internationalstacker@gmail.com as I take a sip of Mrs. International Stacker's famous coffee. We got 1 minute 50 seconds left to see if we finish on a green or red candle for silver. And gold will probably do the same, so we'll see what we do there. JW Atari saying the 5-ounce Mexican Libertads are one of his favorite. So I'm hoping these will also be. Yeah, guys, I'm picking up a 5-ounce, the new 5-ounce Canadian Maple Leaf. There it is, from SD Bullion. I'm purchasing that, so that's going to be soon. Can you purchase just the GA bags? I mean, I guess. I never thought about doing that. Okay, let me think here. Shipping would probably be $5. Shipping would probably be $5. How much do those bags cost when I make? Yeah, if you want to purchase the GA bags, I got a decent amount made. I would say just email me at International Stacker if you're interested in picking up one of the GA bags. I didn't think of that. That was not my intention, but I got enough to last me a while. So if you want to get one of these, I got enough because every time I do a giveaway, it's going to come in one of these bags. But if you want one before then, email me at internationalstacker@gmail.com, and I'll see where you're at and figure it out. Not trying to make money off this stuff. Just trying to have fun and get the word out and grow the channel, right? So we can figure it out. So email me at internationalstacker@gmail.com. Bought my first silver from SD Bullion, says Lovely Chaos. Awesome. I love SD Bullion. I've bought silver from SD Bullion, Provident Metals, Monument Metals, APMEX, JM Bullion, Hero Bullion, Bull Precious Metals. I bought from all the big ones, and a lot of them have silver at spot deals, guys. Don't sleep on that. I bought for the first time from Monument the other day, and I got two of the new Germanium Mint runes I was missing, the red ones, and I got the 5 ounces at spot deal. So don't sleep on those deals. Lovely Chaos loves the Mega God bags. And for all those joining late, here is an unreleased. Oh no, we lost, guys. We ended the first 5 minutes on a red candle. Team green candle, we lost. But here's how I met Daisy back in the day. I take the camel, guys. Camel cam, guys. Eshism here.
The name Daisy.
Daisy the camel, guys. There you go. Oh, wow. Look at the 3 pyramids, guys. That's how Daisy was met. And every channel member in the chat has the custom Daisy emoji. Sean St. Germania is the shiznit. I agree. I love him. Thank you so much, Jack, for subscribing. Welcome to the Crustacean Nation. We're going to go for a little longer here, and then channel members, we are going to the war room. Actually, can I fix that? Ah! What have I done? Let's see here. Let me fix it. I gotta fix that. I gotta fix that. 1 second. We're gonna go to the war room here in 10 minutes. There we go. Channel members will go to the war room in 10 minutes. Until then, we're gonna watch this price action with silver and gold. We're at 88 likes, only 12 likes away from 100, and we've got 150 people on. So if you could tap, smash, roundhouse kick, even kiss. If you fell in love and you want to kiss the like button, just make sure you have consent. We're still in full backwardation at $50.65. And Hansa is saying, China just sounded the silver alarm. China's Shanghai Gold Exchange, Shanghai Futures Exchange, silver vaults just hit another all-time low. Not low for the month, not seasonally low, a record low. Physical supply is getting dangerously tight. As Marco Liquidity is saying, silver has been in persistent backwardation since October 2nd. Totally true. On the one of the cleanest signs of real physical tightness. Totally true. Not a financial advisor. And here's the key detail everyone is missing. There were 3 separate attempts to force silver back into contango. And guys, contango is just when we flip back. We're not in backwardation. All failed within hours. Why this matters? Backwardation is when the spot demand is higher than the futures. So spot is 50.73, futures is 50.65. So when that's higher, it means real metal is scarce now, not in theory. Paper selling can suppress the price, but cannot suppress term structure. When contango can't hold, it exposes stress inside the bullion system. Bullion banks need contango to roll shorts. Backwardation breaks their model. These field curve flips in 6 weeks is extremely rare. It usually precedes a sharp repricing window as physical demand overwhelms the paper. And ladies and gentlemen, that is where we're at. As Rashad, one of our favorite technical analysts, says, I expect largely sideways price action in metals for the next 1 to 2 weeks. Miners making further progress. I expect to start a big breakout to 62, 64 late November into December. And remember, I think it's November 25th, is it, when they do the settlements for the COMEX? We're in crazy times, guys. And here's silver's week-long 5-minute chart. That's where we're at now. So breaking out of that channel. Members, we are going to the war room in 7 minutes and 30 seconds. Laugh out loud. The morning war room is always why I'm dropping my daughter off at school, says Sean47. Sorry, Sean. Smash the like or iOS will no, Sean. No. I do not endorse that comment. We're only 4 likes away from 100. I think we could get there. A big crash out to Sublime, or crash out. A big shout out to Sublime Mad Dog. Sublime Mad Dog won 2 prizes on the Mega for the most claws and the most time on live streams. So mega. So glad you don't slurp your coffee like some other YouTubers. You're talking about Uncle Sal. Uncle Sal slurps his coffee like this. But that's his style. I'm not a coffee slurper, but we love Uncle Sal. He's great. I got some of his cat Fortitude rounds from back in the day. That's fun. We got a lot of winners in chat. What's up, Paying Stockpiles? Shout out to all the channel members. We got Black Eagle Bullion, that boy from around here, Elder Joshua Hetrick. Yeah, Mrs. IS won't like that exactly. We got Cess in the house, Paying, a KTM, Wicked Sticky Flowers. We're going to the war room in 6 minutes. Shout out to Uncle Sal. We love Salvate Metal. SGT Stacking in the house. He's made a lot of cool stuff, guys. And if you see that little crab right there, hold up. I pre-programmed some stuff here. So if you see that crab, okay, come on. There you go. Right there. That was made by SGT Stacking. So check out his channel. He does super cool work. Love his stuff. Very cool. As we've been open for about 11 minutes, I will not be streaming Market Close today unless something absolutely insane happens. I got to edit videos for you guys. I got to get Germanium Mint videos edited. Thank you for the shout out, Black Eagle. Really appreciate it. Appreciate y'all. Mega God was crazy. A lot of winners. And Emerald Coast Stacker just dropped SGT Stacking's channel in the chat. And we got Twisted 10, or Twisted, yeah, 10 for Tennessee. Welcome to the Crustacean Nation, the newest channel member. As a member, you guys get to come to the war room. You get custom emojis and other fun stuff that happens behind closed doors. But most importantly, you help the channel, help me do what I do. So thank you so much for becoming a channel member. You don't have to become a channel member or super chat to help the channel. You can simply like a video, like a stream, share a video, share a stream, watch my videos in their entirety. That's important because the algorithm looks for that. So if you can watch those videos in entirety or let them play through, appreciate that. I didn't win a GAW, however, I won by finding this channel saying Raven Wolf Cub. Thanks, Raven Wolf. Glad to have you with the channel. We got 3D Woodwork saying good morning, folks. Good to see ya. We're going to the war room in 4 minutes as silver is on a bit of a red-green candle. Things are getting wild. As Smart Silver Stacker says, backwardation intensifies. An ounce of silver today is worth more than an ounce of silver tomorrow. That's what backwardation's telling you. This kind of structure is rare in precious metals and usually signals one thing. Real-world demand is outrunning paper supply. When spot trades above futures, it often reflects tight physical markets, delivery pressure, and a market that wants metal now, not promises later. Stack accordingly. We've got David saying 5,000 gold and silver to 70 is possibility in this environment. You guys remember, my original prediction start of the year was $50 silver, 4,000 gold. I got laughed at, told I was crazy, too bullish. Well, we blew by that. So my new target for the end of the year, not a financial advisor, just some guy on the internet with a crab shell, is $75 silver, $5,000 gold by the end of the year. And if we can do that, I expect to see the first time in modern times, and by modern times, I mean post-2011. That's not modern times. What am I saying? But the first time in a long time, silver's been back to triple digits. Back? International Stacker, silver's never been to triple digits. If you correct for inflation from the 1980 high is over 202 of today's dollars. If you correct for inflation from a 2011, that was 72 of today's dollars. As the Silver Ape King is saying, triple digit silver. Just sitting here and waiting for $100 silver. Do you guys think silver's going to break 100? Do you think I'm far too bullish? Or do you think we'll get there eventually? Let's see what you guys say. Barbara's saying $100 by the end of the year. $70 silver. I'm selling the entire stack, then holding until it dips, or triple my stack. I mean, that's an approach, JR. If it dips, what if the dip comes at 100 to 95? I'm trying to get 10K claws to trade them in for silver from IS. That's not a thing, SGT stacking. You cannot trade claws for silver. Do not start that rumor. SGT Stacking says we will get there eventually. Not this year, though, in his opinion. I'm looking for the first quarter in 26 to get to triple digits if we can break 75 this year. What is the claw to silver ratio? That's a good point. That's a good indicator. And you guys, I got to pause the music. I got to pause the music because something very special is about to happen here. Here we go. Something very special is about to happen here. I think 60 will be the top for about 6 months, as Joshua Elder Joshua Hetrick. Okay, that could be. Next year, $100, says Cesc Gonzalez. And ladies and gentlemen, we are 1 minute away from the war room. Several financial experts are calling for 5K gold. What's your calling? Emerald Coast saying, I think we'll get to 5K by the end of this year. Not a financial advisor. And then once that happens, it's 2026, we break 6K. I need the crab silver pour, says Cess. We're going to the war room. Who's ready for the war room? We're just 30 seconds away. Thank you, everybody, for coming to the stream. Please smash that like button. To everyone not coming to the war room, catch you on the next one. I'm going to at least stream at market close on Friday. I might do something in between if the market goes crazy, but I got to edit videos for all y'all. A lot of good stuff coming soon. Catch you on the next one. To everyone else, channel members, hold your breath. You will be teleported to the war room in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's go.